So, I wanted to share some thoughts that I've been having this week. Um, this has been a weird year. I don't know any other way to say it, but the main way that it keeps being weird all year long is a consistent barrage of times where I have to stand up for myself, where the easy route out would just say, never mind, it doesn't matter that much, and be taken advantage of. And where I've had to stand up and say, no, that's not okay. And I hate doing it every time. It wastes so much of my energy just trying to work up the nerve to stand up for myself. I was not taught how to do it growing up. I don't know how to do it without feeling bad about it. I hate it every time. And yet, the thing that keeps me doing it each time this year that this crops up is the memory of all the times that I didn't in my life and what it led to. It led to missed opportunities. It led to being looked over for positions for reasons that weren't fair. It led to being taken advantage of by companies that I worked for. It led to an abusive marriage. It led to staying in jobs that I shouldn't have stayed in, working for bosses who were not good to work for. And it led me to be taken advantage of by clients so many times where I've had to stand up for myself. I have remembered that anytime I didn't, I still regret it. Years later, 20 years later, I still regret the moments where I just said it's too hard to stand up for myself. I'm just gonna let it go. They haunt me. And so that's why I keep doing it. So this is not a video with a bunch of answers, but I'd be interested if you've been having any sort of experience like this year, or if you are really good at standing up for yourself, would you share me your tips? Nobody trained me how to do this. I'm just trying to learn it on my own. Feel free to share your tips if you're good at it. All right, lots of love, guys. See you next time.